You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.